In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add formula in Canva. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Canva. This step is simple but essential. You want to make sure you're accessing the right website. As you type Canva into the search bar and hit enter, you will see a list of search results. Look for the official Canva link, usually at the top of the list. It's crucial to select the right one to avoid any phishing sites or unwanted redirects. Once you locate it, you're on the right path to accessing all the features Canva has to offer, including formulas. Next, click on the correct link and log into your Canva account. If you already have an account, enter your credentials, your email and password. If not, you can quickly create an account by following the prompts. Logging in ensures that your work is saved and allows you to access your projects anytime. This step is fundamental because having your own account gives you personalized access to all Canva's features, including the ability to create and edit sheets where you'll be using formulas. Once you log in, you're ready to start working with your designs. Now, open an existing Canva sheet or create a new one. If you already have a sheet with data that you want to perform calculations on, simply navigate to it. Alternatively, you can select the option to create a new sheet. This flexibility is key because it allows you to either build on existing work or start fresh. Ensure your sheet is set up correctly with the data you need for your calculations. This step is important because the effectiveness of your formulas relies heavily on having the right data organized properly in your sheet. Next, click the cell where you want the calculated result to appear. This action is crucial as it tells Canva exactly where to place the result of your formula. You will see a cursor blinking in the selected cell, indicating that it is ready for input. Selecting the right cell ensures that your calculations are easy to find and reference later. It's a small step, but it sets the stage for the entire calculation process. Now type the equal sign on your keyboard to open the formula engine. This is how you initiate any formula in Canva. As soon as you type the equal sign, Canva recognizes that you are about to enter a formula, and it will guide you through the next steps. This little action is vital because it signals the beginning of your calculations and allows Canva to interpret your input correctly. From there, select a function from the popular suggestions drop-down menu, such as sum, average, or count. As you type, Canva will display a list of functions that you can use. Choosing the right function is important because it determines the type of calculation you will perform. For example, if you want to sum up a range of numbers, selecting sum will guide you to the next step. This function selection streamlines your workflow, helping you apply the right calculations quickly and efficiently. After that, highlight the range of cells you want to calculate by clicking and dragging your cursor over them. This action allows you to select multiple cells at once, which is essential for functions like sum or average. As you drag your cursor, you will see the selected cells highlighted, confirming your selection. This step is significant because it ensures that your formula will operate on the correct dataset, leading to accurate results. Finally, press Enter to apply the formula and instantly view your computed result. Once you hit Enter, the cell will display the result of your calculation. This moment is satisfying as you see your work come to life. It confirms that your formula has been successfully applied and that you can now use the result in your projects. Following these steps carefully guarantees that your calculations in Canva are accurate and effective, enhancing your overall design experience.